Hello, welcome back to my channel, Rena's Art Adventures. I am Rena, and I am coming to you today with another art video. Again, all of my items come from Dollar Tree, and it's gonna be just a couple of different color of blues and a silver. I had that water song stuck in my head on repeat, so yeah, I just figured I'll try to make something along those lines. You'll see what I mean later, and I think I might have actually messed it up. Is it just me? But I have been trying to make different YouTube channels over the years, and it's always hard to still talk to myself. But the crazy part is I will talk to myself all the time, but whenever I turn on the actual recorder, that's when it's like, oh my god, what do I say? Oh, I did have a question. Have you done the Myers-Briggs personality test yet? I did mine. I actually did it 2 or 3 times because I wanted to make sure it was right. And I am apparently an INFP. Now, it came back a couple of times different as an INFPA, and then it came back as the T. So, I mean, I feel like it might be more of the T, honestly, but I don't know. You know, if you haven't done the test, go ahead and try it out. Let me know what you got. This is just, you know, a fellow INFP trying to push through and make these videos and everything. I am going to go ahead and get out of here and let you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know, is it a hit or is it a miss? Peace.